Good night. Sorry, good evening.
Okay, hello guys, good evening. Thank you, Alejandra. So hello, everybody, activate your cameras. Let's start with the class. Well, hello, how are you today, Alejandra? How are you? Do you feel better? Yes, very good. That's so nice. Okay, very good, Alejandra. Now, Michelle Aguirre, hello, how are you today?
Hi, teacher.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay, you are...
I play with my friends, and
Okay.
now I drive.
Okay, very good. So thank you for being here. So thank you. So you were with your friends. Good evening. Okay, good evening, Maria Jose. Welcome to the class. Andrea Orellana, hello, how are you today?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Very good. I am very good today. Thank you for asking. Tefi, how are you today?
Very well.
Very well. Okay, that's good. Okay, welcome to the class. Abigail, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. And you, teacher?
Okay, I am very good today. Thank you. So thank you guys for coming to the class on time. And okay, today we are going to start with the class. Well, thank you for being on time. Well, do you celebrate Valentine's Day? Do you celebrate Valentine's? February 14th? Yes, no? No, definitely no. Okay, very good. So guys, if you celebrate, happy Valentine's Day. If you don't celebrate it, no problem. Okay, the important thing, guys, is that we have another opportunity. Well, today we have to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. So let's pay attention to it. Okay, we have, wait a moment. Okay, can you see my screen? Yes. Can you see my screen? Mi pantalla? Yes?
Yes.
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 Okay. Today we
Yes.
have to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Remember, countable are objects or things that we can count. Uncountable are things that obviously we cannot count. Okay, so right now let's listen to some of your classmates. The first object that we have is a car. Okay, this is a car. Let's see. Alejandra, what do you think? Cars are countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Okay, let's see. I will write a letter C over here. So we will check later. We will check later if it is countable or not. Let's continue. Please, Andrea. Well, let's pay attention to number 2. Number 2 is rice. Rice. What do you think, Andrea? Is rice countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Okay. Thank you. Let's check. Continue with the next one. Okay, right now we have a cup. Okay, a cup. So let's see, please, Michelle, what do you think? Is a cup countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Oh, countable. Okay, let me see. Very good. Okay, thank you for your answer. Now let's continue. We have electricity. Tell me, Tefi, is electricity countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Okay, let's see. Very good. Thank you for your answer. Let's move with our next picture. So we have, oops, I'm sorry. Okay, let's move with our next picture. We have water. Okay, let's see now. Please tell me right now. Abigail, is water countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Okay, uncountable. Let's see. Letter U. Okay, U. Okay, nice job. Thank you. Let's move. Okay, let's check right now. We have a table. Okay, let's see. Valeria, Ariana Valeria, tell me, is table countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Good evening.
Okay, good evening, Brian. Welcome. Well, so Ariana, it's countable. Okay, well, give me a second. Countable. Well done. Okay, let's check the next one. Brian, tell me, the pillow. This is a pillow. Is the pillow countable or uncountable? Hello, Brian.
Yes. Countable.
Oh, it's countable. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Let me see. I will write the letter C. Okay, let me see. Letter C, okay? Very good. And, well, we have the last one. Let's pay attention to, well, Teffy is going to help us. Teffy, is the sofa countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Okay, it's countable. Let me see. Countable. So let's check together. Guys, all the answers are correct. Okay, all the answers are correct. So let's check together. When we have countable nouns, remember countable nouns have singular form and plural form. Car is in singular. So what is the plural of car? Let's see, Michelle, what is the plural of car? Oh, let's see, Alejandra, what is the plural of car?
Cars.
Cars, that's right. Okay, so remember, all the countable nouns have have a plural noun. So what is the plural of cup, Tefi? What is the plural of cup?
Cups.
Okay, very good. Cups. So that's correct. Thank you. Now, what is the plural of pillow, Ariana?
Repeat for please.
Yes. What is the plural of pillow? What is the plural? Let's see, Andrea Orellana, what is the plural? Oh, repeat again.
There is
Pilots.
Pillows. That's good. Thank you, Andrea. So that is the plural. Remember, well, in this case, we say cars, so we only add letter S. Cups and pillows. And the same for tables and sofas. Okay, so these are countable nouns. But remember, uncountable doesn't have a plural noun or doesn't have a plural form. Okay, so electricity, Alejandra, does electricity have a plural form?
No,
No.
because electricity is a connection and no se puede sumar o algo así.
Okay,
Porque
that's
vamos
right. So you can't count electricity. You can't say one electricity, two electricities. No, guys. So that's not correct, right? Also, when we talk about water, can we count water, Brian? Oh, okay, Brian, no hay problema con la cámara. Okay, but tell me, can we count the water? Okay, so we
Wait.
cannot. we cannot count the water. We cannot say 1 water, 2 waters. No, guys. In Spanish, maybe we do it like that. En español, a veces lo hacemos así. But in English, guys, we need some measures. Okay, we have to say a bottle of water, a glass of water, a cup of water. Okay, so we need specific measures. Okay, now everybody, as you can see, today's class is focused on countable and uncountable things. Remember, to talk about countable and uncountable, we need to check what are the nouns, okay? The countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Let's start talking about countable. Please, Abigail, read countable nouns information.
Countable nouns. They can be singular or plural.
Now the examples.
A share, shares. A banana, bananas.
Very good. As you can see in these examples, we have, okay, a singular noun or a singular form, so a chair, a banana. But we also have plural form, chairs. How many chairs are there, Alejandra? How many chairs are there?
3 chairs.
Ah, there are 3 chairs. So very good, Alejandra. As you can see, okay, we have the plural form of a chair, and we have the plural form of banana, a banana, I'm sorry. So the plural is bananas. Well done. But now, pay attention to uncountable nouns. Let's pay attention right now to Michelle. Michelle, read please the information about uncountable nouns.
I don't listen. Uncountable?
Oh, read the information about uncountable nouns.
Oh, okay. We use them only in singular form, bread, and soap.
Very good. Okay, so we have uncountable nouns only in singular form. Thank you, Michelle. That was so good. Okay, so let's pay attention to it. Bread doesn't have a plural form, so we cannot say breads. In Spanish, guys, we say it like 1, 2, 3, and we use the word bread. But in English, we need to measure that. Necesitamos una medida para usar bread or soup in like in plural. But bread and soup itself, it's not possible. Okay? Let's continue now and pay attention. Remember, we have to use, when we use countable nouns, we have to use how many, and there is, there are. Let's check our example. Please right now, help me with the information. Only this part, only these sentences. Tefi, read the information.
We use how many to ask for quantity. No sé cómo se pronuncia.
Oh, quantity.
Quantity. We use countable nouns in plural.
Very good. Right now, I need to listen to 2 people. Let's see. Andrea, you are, okay, you are the first one. So you ask the question, Andrea. And, okay, Ariana, you answer the question. So, Andrea blue, Ariana pink. Go ahead.
How many bedrooms are there in your house?
There are 4 bedrooms in my house.
Very good. Excellent conversation. So, as you see in the question, we use the plural noun bedrooms. Okay, plural bedrooms. Okay, so we use in this kind of questions, in how many questions, we use plural nouns. Then in the answer, we can use singular or plural. Okay, Then we can move on to the next word. The next words are how much and there is. Okay, let's listen right now to, let me see. Okay, let's listen to Alejandra. Okay, Alejandra, read the information about how much and there is.
How much there is. We use how much to ask about non-specific quantities. We use uncountable singular nouns.
Very good. So now, please, let's pay attention to, okay, Brian, read the question right now. Read the question.
We use infantile singular. How we use pizza there? There is some pizza.
Okay, thank you. So how much pizza is there? Remember the answer. Excellent, Brian. There is some pizza. There is some pizza. Okay, let's see. Andrea, can we say a specific number of pizza? Can we say a specific number like 3, 4, or 5?
No.
Why not?
Because it's a no specific quantity.
Very good. It's not a specific quantity, or we don't talk about specific quantities because it's not countable. Pizza is not countable. Slices of pizza, yes. Okay. So we need a measure. Remember, necesitamos medidas. We need a measure. If we want to say if it is plural or something like that. But if we only say pizza, it's not possible in plural. Okay. Now, let's move on. And we have some practices to do. So we are going to start with a first game, okay? Let's pay attention to, give me a second. Let's pay attention to our activities. So right now we have to play and practice. Let's move. Okay. Remember, guys, today it's time for a review of our activities during the week. Okay, let me see. Okay, we're going to start with the game. Please, let's pay attention. Today, we are going to play, okay, only one player, okay? The player's name is Christian Daniel Class. So let's see. All of you are going to participate in the questions. Please pay attention and use the correct vocabulary. Use the correct form, okay? Let's see. To start, okay, to start, let's pay attention to Andrea. Andrea, what is the correct word?
I think any.
Any.
Are
What
there
is the
any-
complete question?
Are there any students in the college?
Let's see. Okay, that's correct. Remember, any, I'm sorry, Andrea, I don't remember. When do we use any? Andrea, what is any for? In this case, we have a question. Only for questions, Andrea?
I don't remember.
You don't remember. Okay, but you did it good. Okay, remember, any is for questions. And what else?
Negative form.
And negative. Very good. Okay, so thank you. That was fine. Let's move to our next question right now. Let's pay attention to, well, okay, very good. Today we only have girls in the class. So let's pay attention to Tefi. Tefi, what is the correct question? Sorry, what is the correct sentence today?
A few, teacher.
Okay, a few. Let's check together. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is not correct. In this case, we didn't learn about the quantifiers, but a few is used in countable. So right now, maybe we can use a little or little. What do you think, Tefi? What's the correct one?
A little.
A little. There is very, a little, or very little. What do you think sounds better? ¿Qué suena mejor, Tefi? Very little, or very a little? Okay, let's check. Yes, that's right. What is the complete sentence, Tefi? Read the complete sentence. There is very
little milk left, so we can't make any ice cream.
Okay, very good. So your answer was right. Super good. So, let's move and listen to Abigail. Okay, Abigail, tell me, what is the correct question?
How much?
Okay, read the question.
How much chairs do we need for the party?
How much chairs do we need for the party? Okay, that's a good effort, Abigail, but let's check. Tell me right now, Michelle, what do you think? Is it correct to use how much or how many?
How much?
How much? Okay, so you say that is how much. Let's check together. That's not correct. So how much is not correct. So what is the correct option, Abigail?
How many?
Why how is correct, Abigail? We use
I
how
think the specific we need. Or I don't know.
You are a little bit close. I have a question for you, Abigail. Chairs is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
So what do we use for countable? Much or many?
Many. Yeah,
Yes.
many.
Okay, so very good. Remember, many for countable, much for uncountable. So very good job. Let's see. So let's check the next one. Please, Ariana, tell me, what is the correct question?
How many banks are there in your city?
How many? Are you sure how many? Are you sure? Yes? Okay, let's check together. How? Of course, it's correct. Well done. Okay, thank you, Ariana. Okay, right now, Tefi. What is the, okay, let's see. Tefi, what is the correct word?
Some.
Some. Okay. Okay, very good. In this case, it's correct. Okay. Since it is, well, in this case, we can use some, okay, because they are, it's like an invitation. They are offering you. Nos están ofreciendo. So in that case, we can say some. Okay. Very good. Okay. Let's check. Please, right now, Michelle, what is the correct question?
Hello, sorry. How now he is much?
How much? Okay, how much peanut butter do we have left?
Peanut is not countable.
Very good.
Oh.
Peanut butter is not. So very good job, Michelle. Great sentence. Okay. Well done. Let's see. We have very few, very little, or very a little money left. So we can spend it carelessly. Let's see. Remember, in this kind of sentences, we didn't study, or in these classes, we didn't study the quantifiers. But we can remember that few and a few are more common for countable nouns. I have a question. Is money countable or uncountable? What do you think? What do you think? Alejandra, money is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Can you say one money, two monies, three monies?
No, uncountable.
It's uncountable. We can count dollars. Dollars, countable. Money, uncountable, okay? Because we don't say a money, two monies, three monies, right? But now, if it is uncountable, what is the correct option? What do you think? Alejandra, what do you think is the correct option? Few? Well, few is for countable, remember. So little or a little? Very little or very a little?
Little.
Okay. Very little money. So we don't have a lot of money. We have just like $1 or $3, okay? Very good. Now, everybody, let's continue to count next. Remember what words are for countable and what words are for uncountable. Now let's check. Please help me with this one. Let me see. Okay, Brian, help me with this example. X is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. So well, tell me, what is the correct option in your opinion? Few or a few?
Countable.
What is the correct option? Few or a few?
Few.
A few X or few X? Brian, what do you think?
Few.
What is the correct option? Few. Okay, let's check together.
Yes.
It's not correct. Let's try with a few. That's right. Okay, let's continue with our the last one, guys, because we have to continue with another practice. So, students can answer this question. Let's ask Andrea. Andrea, students is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. So what do you think is the correct answer? Few students, or little
A
students?
few.
Okay, let me see. A few students. Right. So what is the correct answer? Little or few, Andrea?
Few.
Okay, few. Let's check. That's our correct answer. So very good, guys. As I told you, we did quantifiers in this class, but at least we have an idea that little is for uncountable and few is for countable nouns. Well, let's move on to our next practice now. And let me see. Okay, let's move on to our next practice, everybody. We will continue practicing some activities about there is and there are. Okay, just give me a second. Well, let's check. Very good. For plural and which one is for singular form? Please, let's pay attention to Tefi. Okay, Tefi. What's the correct option? There is or there are?
There are.
There are. Read the complete sentence, please.
There are 2 beds in my bedroom.
Okay. Yes, of course, that's correct. Very good job, Tiffy. That's fine, okay? We have another sentence. Remember, we are talking about a wardrobe. Remember, a wardrobe is, well, similar to a closet. Please, right now, Ariana, what is the correct sentence? Ariana, what do you think? There is or there are?
There is, teacher.
There is. Okay. Read the complete sentence, please.
There is a wardrobe in my bedroom.
Okay, nice. There is a wardrobe in my bedroom. That's correct. Thank you, Ariana. Let's move and check our example number 3. Tell me, Alejandra, what is the correct sentence?
There are.
Okay, now the complete sentence.
There are 4 books on the table.
Correct. Okay, super good. Let's continue. Please pay attention to Michelle. Michelle, what is the correct sentence? There is or there are? Oh, Michelle. Let's see. Abigail, what is the correct sentence?
There is.
There is. Read the complete sentence, please.
There is a lamp in the living room.
Perfect. Okay, there is lamp in the living room. Well done. Okay, let's move and check out example number, well, our example number four, I think. No, 5, I'm sorry. Okay, what is the correct sentence? Let me see, help me right now. Brian, what is the correct sentence? There is or there are? Hello, Brian.
There are.
Oh, there are. Very good. Now,
There are.
read the complete sentence.
There are.
Okay. So there are 4 chairs in the kitchen. Well done. Let's continue. Today, we are talking about a bookshelf. The bookshelf, everybody, okay, is this one, okay? A place in which you put your books, okay? Now, let's see, Alejandra, what is the correct sentence?
I confused because in this bookshelf I put more books, but bookshelf refiere a un there is.
There is. Okay, let's check together. Yes, Alejandra, that's correct. Since it is a bookshelf, so only one, okay? Only one bookshelf. So very good job. Let's see, continue, please. In this moment, tell me, Well, Andrea, what is the correct sentence? There is or there are?
There are.
There are, that's right, okay? So there are 5 bowls in my garden. Let's continue. Okay, pencil case, 4 pencil case. What is the correct answer, Tefi?
Are.
Ah, there are. Very good. There are 4 pencil cases. Pencil cases. I'm sorry. Pencil cases. Nice. Okay. Now we have, well, we are talking about 9 Lego. 9 Lego. What is the correct answer? What do you think, Andrea? What is the correct one?
There is.
Okay, very good. There is, but let's check. Do you think that is there is or there are? Remember that we are talking about 9 pieces of Lego. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So what do you think?
It's a countable.
It's, well, it's countable or uncountable?
Countable because in this sentence da da la cantidad.
Yes, there is a number. Okay, there is a number. So we have number 9. In that case, we say that is there are. Why do we say Lego? Because Lego, remember that it's an irregular noun, okay? It's an irregular noun. So in singular, we say Lego, and in plural, we say Lego, okay? So Lego, Lego, okay? Yeah. Let's continue now. Please, this is, well, this is about 2 students. What do you think about it, Abigail? What is the correct answer? There is or there are?
There are.
There are, of course. Okay, very good. And everybody, let's check our last example. Tell me please right now about a teacher. Okay, we have an example about a teacher. Ariana, what is the correct answer? There is a teacher or there are a teacher?
There is a teacher.
Ah, there is a teacher. Very good. So very easy, guys. You did an amazing job. So thank you. You got 11 out of 11. So well done. Guys, now that we finished with this part, we can move to our next activity. In this moment, please pay attention to, well, our next practice. What is today's practice, everybody? Please, Alejandra, read the question. Give me a second. Okay, read the question.
What's your ideal house?
Nice. Okay. What's your ideal house? What is the house that you want to have? Okay. The house, not that the one that you have now, the one that you want to have maybe in future. Okay. So think about what things are in your ideal house. What do we need to use? We have to use there is and there are. Okay, we have to use there is and there are. We have to use there is and there are to mention, number 1, parts of the house. Remember parts of the house, living room, a bedroom, bathroom. Okay, so how many bathrooms, how many bedrooms, how many living rooms, how many kitchens do you want to have? Okay, and also furnitures and appliances. Remember furnitures and appliances, the objects that you have in your house. In my ideal house, there are 10 TVs, 10 televisions. There are 2 refrigerators. There is 1 kitchen. There are 3 bathrooms. And there are, I don't know, 4 bedrooms, okay? Remember to use there is and there are to describe your dream house. Do you have any question about it? Questions? No questions? Well, it's clear. Well, in this moment, let me check. I'm gonna put you up. Let me see. Oh. Okay. No. Well, in this moment, we are going to move to groups, okay? We will work with a partner and you have 3 minutes to speak about it. So who are going to be my first people? The first people who are going to speak are Alejandra. I'm sorry. In the group, remember, in the group. So Alejandra, Abigail, and Andrea. Okay? You have, I'm sorry, but you start with letter A. Ustedes inician con la letra A, so I'm so sorry. Okay? So you have to speak about your ideal house. Okay? So there are. Okay? Let's go to the groups. See you. Let's see. Alejandra, Abigail, Andrea, you have to speak 3 minutes. Okay? Think about it and then you speak. You don't have to speak 3 minutes. Okay? You think about it, then you speak 1 minute or 1 minute and a half. Okay? See you guys. Bye-bye. Hello, girls. Remember that Andrea is going to start with her presentation about it. In this opportunity, Maria Jose is not going to participate because she is stuck in traffic, so she can't participate today. Now, Andrea, you can speak. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Bye bye.
To refrigerator. I think words. You.
Mm, mm, no sé cómo decirlo. I like in my house. No. I like a big garden. I have 4 bedroom. No sé qué más.
Hello. Did you finish to speak?
Todavía no, profe, porque estamos haciendo lo que vamos a decir y después lo...
Okay. Okay.
Sí,
Okay. So
pero ya,
once you finish, so speak. Okay. Remember, you have right now. Well, right now you only have 1 minute. Okay.
ok, thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, Andrea. Did you practice?
Hello, no sé, pero la compañera no responde.
Oh, Maria Jose is in traffic, so she can't participate
Oh.
today. But did you speak?
Sí, y la otra niña que estaba, no sé, pero se salió.
Ah, yes, Michelle left. No sé por qué, pero sí se fue.
Sí.
Okay. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, Andrea, thank you for practicing. Nos vemos en un ratito, okay?
Okay.
It is.
Hello, did you finish?
Yes, teacher.
Wow, so you practice very fast.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. We're going to continue with the class in this moment. So, well, I hope to see you there. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's see. Hello. Guys, did you practice? Yes? Yes. Okay. In this opportunity, we are going to participate. Not all of us, but some of you are going to participate in today's practice. So we have Andrea, we have Brian, we have Tefi, we have Alejandra. Also, let's see, we have, well, Maria Jose, today you will not be in the list because you cannot participate, okay? Let me see, we have Abigail. Oops, a second. Abigail and Ariana. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Yes, okay. So you are going to participate in this opportunity. If your name is in a box, you speak. Okay, you participate. So let's see. Our first volunteer today is going to be Tefi. Okay, so she's the first one. Everybody pay attention to Tefi. Okay, Tefi, are you ready?
No.
No. Okay, but let's try. Okay, remember, you have to talk about your ideal house. For example, in my ideal house, there is, let me see, there is a park. In my ideal house, in Teachers Christian's ideal house, there is a big park. And there are 5 televisions, 3 PlayStation 5. There are, I don't know, there are 2 bathrooms and 5 bedrooms. And there is a big kitchen, okay? That's my ideal house. What about your house, Tefi? What is your ideal house?
I don't know. There is a big garden.
Okay.
My ideal house.
Continue, Tefi. Come on, you can do it.
There are two bedroom bedroom. See, bedrooms. One there is living room.
Okay, very good. So great description, Tefi. There is a big garden. There are 2 bedrooms. There is a living room. Tefi, is the living room big or small?
living room is small.
Small. Okay, but it's fine, okay? Great description, okay? So you talk about important parts of the house. Garden, bedroom, and living room. Very good job. Thank you, Tefi. Well, I will eliminate you from the list. I will remove you. Let's check. Who's the next one? Dun, 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 dun. Our next volunteer is Ariana. Okay, Ariana, tell me about your ideal house. Let's see. Yes, Ariana, what is your ideal house?
My house ideal, they are 3 big sofa. There is 1 jacuzzi. They are 8 bedroom. They are 11 windows. They are 3 TV. They are 2 pool, large pool. They are 3 elevator.
3 elevators.
Yes.
Okay, so I really love it. Okay, so well, that's a really good house. Okay, so 3 big sofas, a jacuzzi, 11 windows, 3 elevators, and a large pool or a big pool, a large pool or 2 large, 1 or 2. Ariana?
Two,
1, 2. Okay, 2 large pools. So as you see, well, she dreams really, really high, but that's so nice. Okay, very good description of your house, Ariana. I like your description. So thank you. Let's check, guys. It's time for one more person. Let me shuffle and let's check. Our next volunteer today is okay, it's Andrea. Okay, Andrea, what is your ideal house?
Okay, my ideal house, there is a mirror in the room. There are 4 chairs in the living room. There is a bathroom in the living room. There are 4 bedrooms. There are 2 tables in the kitchen. There is a garden. There are 2 lamps in the living room. There are 4 curtains. And there are 5 windows.
Okay, very good description, Andrea. I really like it. So a mirror in the room, 4 chairs in the living room, a bathroom in the living room, 4 tables in the
Yes.
kitchen, 2 lamps in the living room, 5 windows.
No, 2 tables in the kitchen.
3.
No, two tables in the
2.
kitchen.
I'm sorry, I listened 4. Okay, then you say 4, but I didn't listen very well. For what? Before windows, antes de windows?
Cortinas.
Oh,
How
for
do you say?
curtains. Yes, curtains.
Yes,
So,
curtains.
yes, I'm sorry. I had an internet problem, so I didn't listen very well. But well, that's a good description and very specific. Okay, very specific. Guys, great description of your house and great practice using the vocabulary that we studied. Because of time, well, I will not listen to the next people. So I'm sorry, Brian. I'm sorry, Alejandra. I'm sorry, Abigail. I didn't listen to you today, but I know you practice, okay? The important thing is that you practice in the groups. Now, everybody, let's go to our last activity in today's class. What is our last activity? Everybody, our last activity for today, it's our homework. As you remember, we have to complete our homework. But guys, what is the homework? Number 1, everybody work on the platform, okay? Complete activity, let me see, complete activity 2.4, 2.4.1, 2.4.2, 2.4.3, and the last activity 2.4.4. Today, guys, we finish unit 2. Okay, today we have to finish unit 2. So please, everybody, take the exam. Okay, I'm sorry for Spanish, guys. Lo siento por el español, pero sí es importante esto. Por favor, everybody, tomen el examen que se encuentra en después de la unidad 1 y la unidad 2. Literalmente les va a aparecer esta imagen, así que por favor tomen el examen a más tardar el día de mañana, antes de la clase de mañana. ¿Para qué? Para que puedan tener su resultado y podamos ver qué hemos entendido o qué cosas se nos han complicado en las primeras 2 unidades, ¿ok? Por lo demás, guys, continue practicing. You are doing a great job. Tell me, Alejandra.
¿Puedo hablar en español?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. ¿Cuál es la mínima nota que nos podemos sacar en el examen
Un 10.
del final? No.
Okay.
Okay.
If you want to pass si quieren pasarlo, deben tener un 8, ¿ok? Si no, les va a aparecer en la plataforma como que no pasaron el examen, ¿ok?
Y si digamos que sacamos cerca del 9, ¿se aproxima o queda así como 8?
I'm not pretty sure. Creo que se aproxima. Creo, no estoy seguro. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So, please, guys, take the exam and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.